and this is an important and a bit difficult part, guys, which is the verbs. The verbs are really important, obviously, and they are so different from how we use it in English. We will have many classes about them because we don't use them like you are used to, but let's learn some infinitives in this class. That's always the first step. Abrir. Abrir is to open. I open, for example, will be yo abro. You see, it's different. It's not like in English, to open, then I open. No. Abrir, yo abro. Ayudar. You know this one because we already learned. We already use it. Ayudar. To help. Ayudar. Estar. One of the most important ones. To be. Estar is one of the two forms we have in Spanish for to be. Estar. Gustar. To like. Gustar. Gustar. By the way, like this video. Dale me gusta, por favor. Jugar. To play. Jugar. Llamar. To call. Llamar. Querer. Querer can be to love or to want. Querer. Tener. Tener is to have. Tener. Ser. To be. Ser. I told you, sir, to be had two forms, estar and ser. In the next video, I will explain what's the difference between those two if you ask me in the questions. If you say, ¿cuál es la diferencia? Saber. To know. Saber. And last but not least, let's go with people, because a language is something we use to communicate, right? So, what's a language without personas? Without people? We'll learn some family members and in general people we love. I would like that you also comment down below who's your favorite person, in Spanish of course, from this list that I'm teaching you today. So if your favorite person is, well, all of your familia, you comment familia, family. Sometimes we can't really choose, right? Familia. Or if it's your pet. No, I'm joking. Hijo, son. Hijo. Again, the H is silent, just like in hola. Hijo. And J always sounds like ha ha ha. So hijo is son, but hija is daughter. And this happens all the time in Spanish. Masculines end in O, hijo, feminines end in A, hija. Amigo is a friend, but amigo is a friend who is a boy or a girl. Comment down below. Amigo. And also tell me the feminine. Oh, I gave you the answer, but tell me the other option for amigo. Niña is girl. Niña. Niño is boy, of course. Niña y niño. Don't be scared of the ñ, that letter that looks like an N but it's not. Don't be afraid of it. It sounds like an N and a Y together. Niño. Hombre. Man. Hombre. Me gustan los hombres. Hombre. Mujer. Mujer. Esa soy yo. That's me. Mujer. Sometimes I behave like niña, but I am mujer. Ooh, and you thought this was the end, but no.